Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2010 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 single rear wheel pickup trucks. We put a 2.5 inch rough country level lift on the front, some 20 by 12 Ballistic range 595s, and some 35 1250 R20 open country mud terrain by Toyo. Now, doing this 2.5 inch level with a 12 wide and 35 inch tires, we wouldn't really recommend, but the customer, this is what they wanted. They wanted a 12 wide with a 35 inch tire, and you can do it. You just have to do a NorCal mod on your inner fender, and you got to trim a little bit of your front valence. Besides that, it's pretty easy. We threw some color match pocket fender flares on this truck. And besides that, it's just a simple, clean, mega cab Cummins. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or shoot us an email, or even give us a call or a text at 833-268-2577. And if you want to order these wheels or tires or lift, please head over to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. So, my name is Michael. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.